Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we're going to be trying out some tires, the Proline Blockades on the Typhon 6S. We're just going to try out the regular tires first, do a warm-up lap, and then we're going to swap the tires and see how well they perform. So I think they should do pretty good on the track. It's pretty dry and it's pretty loose, so everything is stock on the Typhon. I didn't do any upgrades or anything. Overall, the track is pretty good, except this jump right here. It's kind of big. You gotta clear a lot. I mean, these tires are not too bad. Let's see if I can clear it. Man. We gotta try until we do it with these tires. Too much. Alright, time for new batteries, or new tires. Perfect, brother. So I'm going to run 3 laps with the stock tires, and then I'm going to run 3 laps with the blockades, and then I'm going to take the best laps and compare them and see what kind of difference it is. I think the only thing I would need for this car is the AVC, just to kind of help out getting out of the corners. Tires do help. You can feel you get more control in the corners and when you get out of the corners. So the suspension is off stock. I didn't mess with the suspension. Or the toe or camber, any of that. So you still could play around just to make it a little bit more faster. Now the cameraman's gonna try it out. So now my nephews are trying out. They're still kind of trying to figure out the whole steering thing. A lot of times when people are new to the hobby, they get confused which way you turn when the car's coming at them. So it's kind of something you gotta learn and figure out. And right now this is 50%, so I turned it down to 50%. That way they don't go too hard, but they're still flying around. Yeah, for a first timer, they're doing pretty good.
Sam is actually pretty good.
Yeah, Sam is good. He just got a throttle control. Nice. I just told him to take it easy and then just go faster with each lap. Dude, he's doing good so far.
Yeah, the first lap is like so rusty, then the second one it gets a lot easier.
Tried to do a little front flip, but that didn't work out so good. It's always when the camera's not rolling, the front flips always work out. When the camera's on, always break something. Oh, the arm snapped. Yeah, the tires are pretty cool. The tires are pretty nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.